My name is Fong Yu Hong. I'm from Tui, also 50 years old. I'm from Malacca. I came to this Singapore just to learn a thing about meditation in the beautiful state. Before I come to this place, I feel very stressed and got anger issues, and my connection with my family was very bad. After I joined this workshop, my connection with my father, the less connection with my father. We start to sing together. We also care about each other now. And my mother also, we also talk a lot now. And the most important is my grandma. He need to care. So I start to take care of him and do some chores to help me reduce stress. The second thing I like about this workshop is the meditation. It let my feelings relax and very happy. The best part of this I love is the blessing. It makes my energy come back and I feel very happy and relaxed. I also know a lot of new friends. They are very funny and very interesting. We play a lot of games together and I feel very happy joining this. Yeah, that's all for now.